free streaming, plus a dedicated monitoring unit.
Deliveries are arriving. Lockdown online purchases. I'm guilty. So I got some stuff from Emama Co, and this is like stuff to do with pregnancy, just because that's my life now. So I got two things. The first thing I got was some recovery leggings. So this is for like after I have bubs, and just to sort of help with my core and my tummy and everything like that. So I had been looking for some recovery leggings for ages, and I was deciding whether to get like a band thing or leggings, and I just decided with leggings. So these will be going straight into the hospital bag, ready to wear. And then I also got this black crop, and this one's also a breastfeeding one as well too. So you unclip the things here, and then you pop down and you can breastfeed. So this one will definitely be coming to the hospital with me as well too. And Emama Co have been kind enough to give me a discount code. If you do need anything maternity, shapewear, post-pregnancy, they do have a heap of cool stuff and a heap of cool different colors. I'll pop the link down in the description and use the code STEPH40 so you get 40% off your order. I understand that, you know, having a baby and being pregnant and everything, like there's so much that you need to get. So anything I can do to help, and if a little discount code is going to help you purchase some maternity stuff, then I am so grateful. So yeah, again, the link is in the description, and if you use the code STEPH40 you'll get 40% off your order. Let's pop these straight into the hospital bag. So literally I'm like the most organized person ever. I've packed the bag and I like have everything in there, but I try not to overpack as well too, because I've seen some vlogs where people just pack way too much. So I've literally got everything in my suitcase, like all my stuff's over this side, breastfeeding nappies and stuff over this side, and then I've got Bubba's clothes in the mini nappy bag that I have. So I've got 5 zeros and 4 zeros in this one, just because I don't know which ones I'm going to need. So I've literally got each one in a Ziploc bag, like 5 outfits in each in a Ziploc bag, so we just know which one to grab. And then I've also got mittens and everything like that in a little Ziploc bag as well too, so it's just all going to be super easy to grab and super easy to unpack. Any tips on anything that you did forget in your hospital bag, leave a comment below. The last of our order finally arrived from Comfortel, so we're going to go into the salon and finishing set up all of that. So I'm going to set up 2 stations on this side and then move the table back into the middle. We still have stairs to go up on the mezzanine, which they'll go up here. But the timber that we were going to use, the timber from the flooring, we've just found out that we can't use it because it's not like wide enough. So now we have to source a timber for the stairs. Because of COVID, there is like a shortage of timber and stuff like that. So it's going to take a little bit longer than we thought, but that's okay, because then we can sort of get it done, Bubs will come, and then we'll do like a grand opening once all that is done. So we'll have a staircase sort of going up there, up to the mezzanine, and then balustrades all the way around, and a couple more stations up the top, plus like a little chill out area for clients and a little office up the back there. The worst thing about being pregnant is I just want to do things and help, but I feel so useless. 38 weeks, 2 more to go. The table is my favorite. I was a little bit concerned about the base with getting hair and stuff in there, but we just use a hairdryer and blow it out. I actually got a PowerPoint put in the ground as well too, so there's a PowerPoint in there so we can do hair at the table as well as the stations. That's the original ceiling that the painter just gave a bit of love and brought it back to life. So we do still have a little bit of work to do in here over the next few months, but this is where we're at so far and we're so happy with it. We still have a few things that we want to do here over the next few months, just because we thought there's no point trying to smash it out all at once, especially because we did the full reno in like 8 weeks. So I feel like this wasn't really like a salon fit out, it was like just a full-on for the actual fit out side. Like I just wanted to do it slowly and sort of feel the vibe of the space, and then also like I wanted to do it so things could move around, so that way when the team grows we can just add another mirror, and then it's more like boutique-y vibe, so it's not like a salon with like full benches. Like clients can just move around and sort of when their colours on, have a coffee, have a wine, sit at the table. And especially once we get the mezzanine done as well too, I'm gonna have like a little chill out area up there so clients can sort of wander up there and just like, yeah, super boutique-y vibes. I didn't want like the general salon vibes, so just a slow process getting it all set up. And as you know, in Victoria we are in lockdown, yay. So that means we cannot do hair, which is really shit. But I did have some orders that I had to send off to clients, so I thought Jason and I would come in and sort of get the salon set up and ready to go. I would post them, and then we do find out tomorrow if we can open. I feel like maybe they're gonna open regional but keep Melbourne closed, which is still frustrating, but at least that way we can open up the Horsham salon. So fingers crossed at least one of our locations gets to open. But I'm gonna check out for the day and I will see you tomorrow and we'll know whether we can open or not. Yay, so it's Tuesday and I've had a little bit of a quiet morning, which has been nice, but we just got the okay that we can open. So I literally have Brianna in my ear and we're reorganizing all the Melbourne clients, and I think I'm gonna need a coffee for this. So this is the stressful bit about lockdown, is like trying to fit everyone back in. Like we are already booked out and Brianna is already booked out for like 8 weeks, so it's kind of like it's hard, but you know, we have to do what we have to do and we'll get through the clients and make it work. We are so grateful that all our clients are so amazing, and you know, they are flexible for us and they do really try and help us in any way they can. So we are so grateful that we have such amazing clients. Shannon also normally only works part-time in Horsham as well too, but just to help pick everything up, she will be working full-time just to help fit everyone in. So we are so grateful again that we get to go back to work and so excited. But today we have the challenge of getting everyone in. So I'm going to smash through that now and wish me luck. All right, we are pretty much halfway through organizing clients. It is way harder this time. I don't know why. We should be like pro at this because it's like our 5th time. But anyway, this one is way harder. So we're just waiting for a few clients to reply, and some, like, we literally have nowhere to put anyone. Like the girls physically cannot work anymore. So this one is definitely harder, and feeling it like we're letting a lot of people down, but we can only do what we can do, and there's only so many hours in the day, so we are doing our best. I've got an appointment with the midwife, so I'm just gonna like go offline for a little bit, go for a walk, and then come back to all of this. Everything went well at the doctor's, so literally like head is down and like in the pelvis and ready to go. So I know I still have 2 weeks to go, but I'm kind of like, I am so ready now. I'm like, yep, anytime now would be great. If only it was that easy and you could choose. I am like beyond grateful that we can go back to work, but still a little bit stressful. It is like, what's the time? 4 o'clock, and I'm still here with Brianna on the phone trying to organize and shuffle everyone. We do have a couple of hairdresser friends in Melbourne who are going to come in and help us get through the backlog of clients, so grateful for that as well. I'm going to end the vlog here because nothing more exciting is going to happen today. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I just wanted to keep the vlog like real and raw and just like what's going on right now, because they're the kind of vlogs that I love watching. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell as well so you get notifications every time I post a video, and leave a comment below if there is anything specific that you do want to see. And the countdown is on. In the next 1 or 2 vlogs there could be a bubba. I'm like ready now. I'm like, come on, hurry up. I'll see you in the next video.